Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do some duck nails. I've done duck nails like one time before, but I don't think they turned out too good because they were kind of fat and kind of too big. So I'm gonna try to do some again, but like a Valentine's version, and I'm gonna start off by gluing the tips on. I sized these out already and I bought these from Amazon. Alright, nail tips are on. Anyways, I'm gonna start reshaping the nails now and also like take the shine away. Alright, I'm done with shaping the tips and I messed up big times on my thumb. That does not look like a duck nail. The shape is pretty off. It's more like a pizza tower. Anyways, this is what I got, and honestly to keep the shape is really hard. I wanted them to be like slim, but it's really hard to keep them like this duck shaped. But yeah, I tried my best. Anyways, I'm gonna apply some base coat now. Okay, and now I will be curing this. I will be using my Polygel from our card in the color VIP. As for my slip solution, I'm using 91% alcohol. And I'm starting at the tip of the nail and put the Polygel in place. I want these nails to be like as thin as possible. Because like I mentioned last time, I didn't like how fat the nail looked when I did the other duck nail attempt. I'm gonna be linking the video by the end, so if you're interested you can watch that video. Okay, now that I kind of like got the front situated, I'm gonna start by patting the Polygel towards the back, like where the cuticle is, and you know, just cover all the areas that needs to be covered. I need to drag some Polygel back because I don't have an apex. And I need some more Polygel right there where the apex is. Alright, Polygel is pat in place. I will have to apply some more just to build some more of an apex. Alright, and I will be curing now. I like this, and I will be curing now. Okay, and now I'm just gonna be doing the same to the rest of the nails. Alright, now that the polygel is laid, let's start reshaping the nails. Alright, nails have been shaped, filed, and buffed, and now I'm gonna be doing the French tip. Right, all the French tip is on, and now I'm gonna be doing the sweater effect. The C curve is real, like I don't like C curves at all. Alright, this is done. I did the same to my thumbnail, and now I'm gonna be applying the charms, and I'm using my rhinestone glue for that. It wasn't really smart to do the sweater effect before applying some top coat. Should have done that first. But I'm just gonna go in with a liner. I'm just gonna try to go around, apply some top coat. Yeah, be smarter, don't do the same mistake as I do. I will color the bow because I like how the nail set is like matching, and since I don't have like a pink bow, I'm just gonna use some gel polish. Okay, now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. And here are the finished nails. I love how these turned out. These are so cute. I'm not sure if this counts as like duck nails. I mean, they do look pretty regular, honestly, now that I look at them. But I think they're still super cute. I love the design. This is my favorite nail. I wish this would come magnetic. Unfortunately, it doesn't. But I just thought about I could have just put a magnet on there, like glue one on here, but that's okay. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.